learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 合适. First, let's watch an animation about the word 合适.
这件衣服大小很合适，你穿上特别好看。
合适是要把衣服合在一起吗？
不是这个意思哦，合适在这里是大小尺寸刚刚好，十分相配的意思。
原来是这样，我理解错了。
现在出发去车站，时间刚刚好，很合适。
你又说合适了，这次合适是什么意思？
这里是指时间安排的刚刚好。
我明白了，合适可以形容物品、时间，还有搭配。
没错，如果不够好，我们就会说不合适。
那这个价格就不太合适啊，有点贵了哦。
说的没错。
In the animation just now, one person misunderstood the word 合适 at first. She thought it meant putting things together. Today, we will learn the real meanings and common usages of 合适 in daily Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 合适, 合适, 合适. The Chinese word 合适 means suitable, proper, or just right. Its opposite is 不合适. Now let's learn different usage scenarios. First scenario, 衣服很合适. Let's read it 3 times together. 衣服很合适. 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 衣服很合适 means the clothes fit well. We usually use it to talk about clothes, shoes, and other daily items. The second scenario, 价格合适. Let's read it 3 times together. 价格合适. 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 价格合适 means the price is reasonable. People often say this when shopping. Scenario 3, 时间合适. Read with me 3 times. 时间合适. 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 The meaning of 时间合适 is the time is proper. We use it when talking about plans and schedules. Scenario 4, 说话方式不合适. Let's read it 3 times together. 说话方式不合适. 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 说话方式不合适 means the way of speaking is not proper. It is used to describe words or manners. Scenario 5, 两个人很合适. Read it 3 times with me. 两个人很合适. 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 The meaning of 两个人很合适 is the two people match well. We use it to describe partners or teammates. To sum up, 合适 is used widely in daily life. You can use it to judge size, price, time, words, and relationships. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 合适. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.